Good morning, children. This is the term 2 book, lesson 1, The Girl Who Hated the Books. This is our English first lesson. The Girl Who Hated the Books. This is Manjusha Pawagi. Okay, written by Manjusha Pawagi. Now we are going to read this lesson. Already I explained you this lesson, children. I hope you all understood. Now we are going to start the reading. Once there was a girl named Meena. O-N-C-E, once, T-H-E-R-E, there, W-A-S, was a G-I-R-L, girl, N-A-M-E-D, named, M-E-E-N-A, Meena. Once there was a girl named Meena. If you looked, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked up her name in a book. If you looked up, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked up her name in a book, you would, W-O-U-L-D, you would find that, F-I-N-D, find, T-H-A-T, that, find that it means fish, F-I-S-H, fish, in ancient Sanskrit, A-N-C-I-E-N-T, ancient Sanskrit. S-A-N-S-K-R-I-T. Sanskrit you have to underline, children. But Meena did not know that B-E-C-A-U-S-E because she never, N-E-V-E-R, never, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked up anything, A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G, anything, anywhere, A-N-Y-W-H-E-R-E, anywhere. She hated, H-A-T-E-D, hated to R-E-A-D, read. She hated to read. And she hated books. H-A-T-E-D, hated, B-O-O-K-S, books. Once again, repeat along with me, children. Once there was a girl named Meena. If you looked up her name in a book, you would find that it means fish in ancient Sanskrit. But Meena did not know that because she never looked up anything anywhere. She hated to read and she hated books. T-H-E-Y, they postpace are, there are always, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always in the way. There are always in the way. She said, S-H-E, she, S-A-I-D, said. She said, and this was true. A-N-D-N, T-H as this, W-A-S was T-R-U-E, true. And this was true because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because in her house books were everywhere. B-O-O-K-S, books, W-E-R-E, were, E-V-E-R-Y, W-H-E-R-E, everywhere. Not just on bookshelves, N-O-T not, J-U-S-T, just on B-O-O-K-S, books, B-O-O-K-S-H-E-L-V-E-S, bookshelves. You have to underline, children. Bookshelves, and beside the tables where books usually, U-S-U-A-L-L-Y, usually are, but in all sorts of places, S-O-R-T-S, sorts, S-O-R-T-S, sorts of places where books usually are not. There are always, please children repeat along with me, there are always in the way. She said, and this was true because in her house books were everywhere, not just on bookshelves and beside the tables, where books usually are, but in all sorts of places where books usually aren't. Turn the page. There were THERE, there WERE were. There were books in dryers, DRAWERS, dryers, and desks, 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 in cupboards, CUPBOARDS, cupboards you have to underline, children. CUPBOARDS, cupboards, and chest you have to underline, CHESTS, chests, meaning large stone boxes usually made of wood. Okay, chests. There were books in drawers and desks in cupboards and chests. There were books on the sofa and books on the stairs. THERE, there, WERE, were, BOOKS, books, ON, on, the, 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 SOFA, sofa, and books on the stairs, STAIRS, stairs you have to underline. Stairs underline, children. Books stuffed, STUFFED, stuffed in the fireplace and stacked, STACKED, stacked you have to underline. Stacked on the chairs. Stacked means arranged one on the top of other. Once again repeat along with me, children. There were books in drawers and desks, in cupboards and chests. There were books on the sofa and the books on the stairs. Books stuffed in the fireplace and stacked on the chairs. Was, WORS, were still, STIL, still, were still, her parents were always, 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 bringing, 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 home, 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 MORE, more, BOOKS, books. Were still, her parents were always bringing home more books. They kept, THEY, they, KEPT, kept, BUYING, buying books, BOOKS, books. They kept buying books and borrowing, BORROWING, borrowing you have to underline, children. Borrowing books and ordering books from catalogs. CATALOGUES, catalogs you have to underline, children. Catalogs means books with lists of all the things that you can buy from a shop or a company. CATALOGUES, catalogs you have to underline. Once again repeat along with me. Were still, her parents were always bringing home more books. They kept buying books and borrowing books and ordering books from catalogs. They read, THEY, they, READ, read, AT, they read at breakfast, BREAKFAST, breakfast and lunch and dinner. They read at breakfast and lunch and dinner. But, but, when, WHEN, when they, 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 asked, ASKED, asked Meena, 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 if she wanted to read. They read at breakfast and lunch and dinner. But when they asked Meena if she wanted to read, she would stamp, STAMP, stamp her feet and shout, I hate books. WANTED, wanted, to READ, read. She would, 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 STAMP, stamp her feet and shout, 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 I hate books. And when they tried, T-R-I-E-D, tried to read out loud to her, she would put her hands over her ears and shout even louder, I hate books. Once again repeat, children. They read at breakfast and lunch and dinner. But when they asked Meena if she wanted to read, she would stamp her feet and shout, I hate books. And when they tried to read out loud to her, she would put her hands over her ears and shout even louder, I hate books. L-O-U-D-E-R, louder. L-O-U-D-E-R, louder. I hate books. There was, T-H-E-R-E, there W-S was, there was probably, P-R-O-B-A-B-L-Y, probably. Once again repeat, P-R-O-B-A-B-L-Y, probably. There was probably only one person in the world who hated books more than Meena. Once again repeat along with me, children. There was probably only one person in the world who hated books more than Meena. And that was her cat. A-N-D-N-T-H-A-T, that was her cat, Max. And that was her cat, Max. A long time ago, L-O-N-G, long, T-I-M-E, time, A-G-O, ago. A long time ago, when he was just a kitten. When he was just a kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. And at last, A-T-L-A-S, at last had fallen, F-A-L-L-E-N, fallen on his tail. It had bent the tip and formed then on. It had, B-E-N-T, bent the tip, T-I-P, tip, and form, F-R-O-M, from, then, T-H-E-N, then on. It had bent the tip and from then on. He tried, T-R-I-E-D, tried to stay on top of the books rather than below them. He tried to stay on top of the books rather than below them. One morning, O-N-E-1-M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning, one morning, after Meena moved, one morning, after A-F-T-E-R, after M-E-E-N-A, Meena, M-O-V-E-D, moved all the books out of the sink, S-I-N-K, sink, to B-R-U-S-H, brush her teeth. One morning, after Meena moved all the books out of the sink to brush her teeth, she went to the kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Once again repeat along with me, children. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. She went to the kitchen to get breakfast for herself and Max. One morning, after Meena moved all the books out of the sink to brush her teeth, she went to the kitchen to get breakfast for herself and Max. First, F-I-R-S-T, first she climbed, C-L-I-M-B-E-D, climbed onto a stack, S-H-E, C-L-I-M-B-E-D, climbed on O-N, on T-O-2, onto a S-T-A-C-K, stack of encyclopedia. You have to underline, children. E-N-C-Y-C-L-O-P-A-E-D-I-A-S, encyclopedias. Encyclopedias means books which give information on many subjects. Encyclopedias. So, she could could, could, reach, reach, reach the sereal, Cyril. She climbed onto a stack of encyclopedias so she could reach the Cyrils. Then, then she opened, opened, opened the fridge, 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 and moved a pile, pile, pile of magazines, magazines, magazines to get the milk. Then she opened the fridge and moved a pile of magazines to get the milk. She poured some for herself and some for Max. She poured, poured some for herself and some for Max. Max, she called, breakfast is ready. Max, she called, breakfast is ready. But Max did not come. She tried again. Max, she called, breakfast is ready. She still did not come. Where could he be? She wondered, 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 you have to underline, children. Where could he be? She wondered. She looked in the bathtub, 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 and behind the dryer, dryer. Bathtub and behind the dryer. She looked under the stairs and on top of the clock. She looked under the stairs and on top of the clock. She found more books, but she did not find Max. She found more books, but she did not find Max. Suddenly, 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 she heard a loud meow, meow. Suddenly, she heard a loud meow. meeyow, meow. She ran into the dining room. She ran into the dining room. And there he was. And there he was. Stuck, stuck, stuck on top of the tallest stack of books in the house. Once again, children, repeat. Stuck on top of the tallest stack of books in the house. It was made up of all the books her parents kept buying her and she kept refusing to read. Refusing, you have to underline, children. Once again, repeat. It was made up of all the books her parents kept buying her and she kept refusing to read. At the bottom were big. At the bottom, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Once again, repeat. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom were big. S-H-I-N-Y, shiny pictures. Shiny picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture books. Shiny picture books. From when she was a baby. When she was a baby. In the middle, M-I-D-D-L-E, middle. In the middle were alphabet, A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet books and nursery rhymes. A-N-D-N-N-U-R-S-E-R-Y, nursery, R-H-Y-M-E-S, rhymes. In the middle were alphabet books and nursery rhymes. Nursery rhymes. At the top, write RIGHT, write by the SEILING, write by the ceiling, were fiery, FAIRY, fairy tales, 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 and adventures. You have to underline, children. Adventure, ADVENTURE, adventure. Once again repeat along with me. ADVENTURE, adventure stories, 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 were fairy tales and adventure stories. They were all covered in dust. They were all covered, COVERED, covered in dust. Don't worry, Max, Mina called up to him. Don't worry, WORRY, worry. Don't worry, Max, Mina called up to him. I'll rescue, RESQUE, rescue. I will rescue you. She started, STARTED, started to climb the pile of books. She started to climb the pile of books. At first, it was easy because the picture books. It was easy because the picture books had hard covers. And she felt as if she were were climbing, CLIMBING, climbing stairs, STAIRS, stairs. But when she reached, REACHED, but when she reached the paperbacks, 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 her foot slipped, SLIPPED, slipped on a book of poetry. But when she reached the paperbacks, her foot slipped on a book of poetry. She lost her balance, BALANCE, balance. She lost her balance and STARTED, started to slide, SLIDE, slide. She lost her balance and started to slide. CRUSH, crushed the books, crush. The books went flying, FLYING, flying. They, THEY, they fell, FELL, fell every which way. They fell every which way. The bindings, BINDING, bindings you have to underline, children. Bindings, CRACKING, cracking open for the very first time. The binding, cracking, CRACKING, cracking open for the very first time. And the pages flipping apart, FLIPPING, flipping apart. As they fell, STRANGE, strange things began to happen. Strange things began to happen. People and animals started falling out of the pages. People and animals started, STARTED, started falling out of the pages and tumbling, TUMBLING, tumbling to the ground. Tumbling to the ground. They dropped, DROPPED, dropped one on top of the other. They dropped one on top of the other. scattering, scattering. scattering, scattering. Scattering means throwing all over. Scattering the books and toppling. Scattering also underline. Toppling also you have to underline, children. Okay. toppling, toppling the chairs. There were, there were princes, prince and princess. There were prince and princess, fairies and frogs. Then a wolf and a purple giraffe and a troll on a log. Troll on a log. There were elephants, emperors, 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 and a bunch of monkeys, BUNCH, bunch, of MONKEYS, monkeys, twisted, TWISTED, twisted up in themselves. There were elephants, emperors, and a bunch of monkeys twisted up in themselves. But most of all there were rabbits falling this way and that. But most of all there were rabbits falling this way and that. Wild rabbits and white rabbits are rabbits with hats. Wild rabbits and white rabbits and rabbits with hats. Meena sat there in the middle of it all. Meena sat there in the middle of it all. Too surprised to move. I thought books were full of words. Not rabbits. She said as 6 more came rolling out of a book beside her. She said as 6 more came rolling, ROLLING, rolling out of a book beside her. By now, she could not recognize, recognize you have to underline, children, RECOGNISE. By now, she could not recognize the dining room at all. Recognize the dining room at all. The elephant was balancing on a coffee table, juggling, JUGGLING, juggling the good china plates. The elephant was balancing on a coffee table, juggling the good china plates. The monkeys had torn down the curtains and were using them as capes. And the rabbits were nibbling, NIBBLING, nibbling you have to underline, on the table legs. Okay children, we will continue the next video. Thank you.